The Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya Garo Hills Unit decided to renew their agitation. According to the FASTM leaders, this is because the government has not met their request despite having committed to do so on May 12, 2022. The leaders informed they went to talk about the commitments that the government has made. Lakman Rumbui, Education Minister, welcomed all the teachers to his office chamber but was unable to respond favorably, claiming that he lacked the authority to decide on their request. The word is extremely unsatisfying and grating. Therefore, the FASTM has made the decision to keep agitating until their demands are met. Since June 28, every ad hoc school from lower primary to higher secondary has been on strike. One of the teachers claimed that they were pushing for an improvement, words spoken rather eloquently by the CM on Teachers' Day, stating that without teachers, there would be no educated man and woman good enough to hold an office in the face of such stark apathy and sensitivity continue to anger the protesting teachers. It appears that the matter has now reached an impasse and time can only tell where this will go next.
Tengah nakaba student demonstration baksa procession ko baka aha. Was somayo Chief Minister antangan cingni dalgaban ko grong aha cingni first term ni representative nangko uno grong in ba assurance ko in black and white ba siachin cingna naha. Uno nakaba assurance ko na within 3 consecutive cabinet meeting na simangni proposal ko singa take up again aru uno approve kayon gen nimung singna seo na wa seo na ni gaman singa khadonge singa ni chakki singe dongachim ge tham cabinet meeting na ngung singa singa ha deba sagpa gani gba tham gba na singo mangba dauna mangba singni problem rang ko uno take up khaja table khaja uni gaman bishone khura chakkamun gara singna chusok ate onjaha uni gaman se singa wa somai ba singa dakba decision korai dona Dalo ya written assurance ko mana ni gaman singa ya cingni agitation ko kolab kaja niba ya written assurance ko cingna bima ngongat kujana kengkeng singa agitation de dontong jawa niba ya ko process kamateng somayna wa gegatam cabinet meeting ko khani somai rangna de singa cingni agitation ko suspend kagen enenba singa suspend kai donanga Singa Chief Minister Delhi ni jol thurauna re bainga ni khobor mansuin ba singa darang ba ya noni re angjaha uni gaman bia ya ramaktan re ba thelgen ni mansin ba singa enon dongso ha janma ya no singa wall chikeng atha bajona singa dongwa ha banner rang khor ai biko singa ni suha uno deng bia tiktak chikeng atha baji rango thurauna sokba ya bia pona sokba da meng wa gari rang khon engtak kemeng singko bia growanga singko golko khanga ini kemudian cingga bini golpo bini agan ani rangko bini statement rangko cingga maneka cingmang biar deksa golpo kanga uno biar dene cingna agan ha na simang ni demand ko cusokat na kata additional requirement of fund ba nang dao nang da pengba thangkha rangara na main amount dala huge amount nga 100 of crores ne biya kana uni kemudian uarang ko cingga dao na songna thariyo na kata dengtang thari gaman budget rawani ko salong khatna nanginga wa ba dokumen budget rawani ko salong khaten ba singa na songni demand rangna kolga batna uko adjust kana singa process khainga uni gaman singa kham khainga na simang singo beberabo aru iya ko dakna singa somai ko nanga maina gesa process ko ba gesa procedure ko ba singa bypass kana manja procedure gate riangna nanga uni gaman we procedure ko yang ro somai ko nanginga na song singbo singa proses kainga ne cingna mija tamo bia kura sakani kode unanga ni ba mija gegetam cabinet ton has kayon gen ne kura sakani zamanu ba dawa proses ne agan sai donginga ne cingni gisiko chung nikijani sokba uni geman cinga bini ndakba katharang ko mangen chimo ba cinga central executive ne decision nang naba singa cinga bichong naba wa news rangko pass kata bisong wani kosako decision ko rai ya thami bako singna wiatna singa aro dao deputy chief ni agan geba khatha rango phangcha geba bisong meeting kain ba dao singna agan apna singa wa dondum gpa chanchianio singa anthango dondum enba chanchiani rangko dakangna singa singa yani gemen dao chugumak decision ko ana man kuzainga dao chinga Shillong ni ko cover de manna ha deputy CM baksa thok te khajok akan ke kaha biani okamanio akan ke kani ko kaha no chinga central executive ni dalgabarang ne yata ni kita de deputy CM ara rebaing pa dao next cabinet to na song ni je proposal donga chim wa proposal ko chinga sure materials kaya chongmat kinok chinga approve ka gen yang ba chango chinga khana kada manjaha uni giman daure chinga kha chongmat gen ini ya sumayo chingi dalga barana kura sakani ko nahani chinga daw khobor ko nata uni giman dalo ndak ba khatarang ko chingi deputy chief minister ni aganani na chingi dalga barang ndak ba mai ba ko abaha agan ba ha chinga nangni daw agan ba khatana verbal assurance na chinga de compromise kangna manjawa chinga decision na mas onar anggen mas mai ko decide ka uno phangcha kemang chinga continue khana nangode kagen kolab khana nangna kenchim ode jenma nangna ka ode ko phangcha ke chinga kolab kagen ini bisong agane don baha uni giman chinga ba ya jenmani decision nan daw singa